guys, welcome back to the VandenBussche video series. My name is Colin McClellan, Golf Territory Manager for Northern and Central Ontario. In this episode / video, we're going to be changing a solenoid. Now, what you're going to need to be able to change a solenoid without having to isolate any lateral lines or main lines is a universal hose adapter from Rainbird. You're going to need a 1 by 6 inch or 1 by 4 inch nipple should be fine, just a PVC nipple, thread by thread. You're also going to need a 1 inch ball valve, thread by thread, NPT by NPT, a 1 inch closed nipple, and you can use a nipple or rather an elbow on the top, and that's just going to be to divert the water. You can either use a PVC elbow or you can use a Rainbird SH2 or SH3 if you'd like to attach a hose to it to divert the water somewhere else. So simply, we just use our Rainbird screwdriver, press down on the top of the internal, pop that snap ring off. We'll use our Rainbird 700 pliers to remove that internal. After you remove that internal assembly, you're going to want to install this UHA. Now you're also going to want to have an extra snap ring on hand, or you can use the snap ring that you take off the top of the head. But you just put that onto the UHA. You pop the UHA in place. Like so. Now, you have to make sure that, number one, before you take off the solenoid, you want to make sure that that valve is closed nice and tight. And as soon as that water is kicked on, so as soon as you take off that solenoid, you're going to feel that this is going to get tight and it's going to seal on its own. So when this is all blocked off, when you have that valve shut, what you're going to want to do is just slowly take off that solenoid. You're going to feel the pressure build up inside the head. After that pressure builds up, you're going to easily be able to change that solenoid. So you take your new solenoid, and as I've explained in a previous video, when you put the new solenoid in, it's good to get in as far as you can. Maybe give it a turn or two to the left, and you should catch that groove. And again, you should be able to screw it on pretty simply. And like I said, don't over tighten it, and just make sure that that is snug. Now, before you take this off, you're going to want to do yourself a favor and relieve that pressure. That is the point of the elbow or the SH2. There's going to be a lot of built-up pressure in there. So if you slowly release that away from yourself, that elbow is going to help divert that away. Or like I said, the SH2 you can attach to a hose. After you divert that pressure, you can take off that snap ring, remove that UHA, and then you can put that internal back in, replace the snap ring, and there you have it. And that's how you change a solenoid on a Rainbird 700 series valve and head rotor. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Again, at the bottom of our video, there should be all of our contact information. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact either one of us. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the course.